Top 7 Best Dashcam Under $50 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. King Slim Dun. Another dual camera system, but this time priced at just $80 and sometimes as low as $60 in Amazon sale. The King Slim Dun records in 1080 Full HD forwards and 720 Type HD rearwards. Crucially, both cameras have wide-angle lenses, with 140 degrees at the rear and an impressive 170 degrees at the front. This is a great addition, as it means your footage will include the areas to the side of your front fenders, as well as dead ahead. There's also a wide dynamic range, and unlike most other dash cams in this price range, integrated GPS. This adds speed and location information to your recordings, which could prove crucial if you need to prove you were driving below the speed limit in the event of an accident. Number 6. ZEdge Drone Wi-Fi Dashcam. Proving it's possible to buy a dual camera system for under $100. We present this dashcam by ZEdge. When used on its own, the front camera records in 2K resolution, or when the rear camera is attached with the included cable, they both shoot Full HD at 30 frames per second. There's Wi-Fi for quickly transferring files to your smartphone, wide dynamic range, not quite the industry standard high dynamic range, but still useful, and a large 2.7-inch display for setup and viewing recordings. The dashcam accepts micro SD cards up to 265 GB, which provides enough storage for 40 hours of Full HD recordings when both cameras are in use. Number 5. Torgard C E41. The Torgard C E41 gives you 2 cameras for the price of one, recording views of both the road in front and inside of the car at a very reasonable price. It's also nicely unobtrusive, slim, and compact. The interior-facing camera, with its 140 lens, 4 infrared LED lights, and an f/1.8 aperture, can still provide valuable footage when your passengers are in darkness. The front camera, meanwhile, offers a 107 wide-angle view. A loop recording feature means you can set your cam to overwrite recordings, which means you won't have to worry about running out of memory card. Recordings are locked and stored automatically on sudden impact. And in parking mode, the camera switches on automatically when it detects movement. Recordings are in crisp 1080 Type HD quality. Storage is impressive too, accepting up to a 256 GB SD card. Number 4. Nexbase 222. Another big hitting brand in the dashcam market. Nexbase's 222 pairs of Full HD imaging sensor with a 6-layer glass lens for impressive video quality for the price. We especially like the quick-release magnetic mounting system, as used by all Nexbase products. This makes it easy to remove the dashcam and switch it between vehicles, while the 2.5-inch display is handy for getting the dashcam's position just right and viewing recorded footage. There's also infrared night vision and a parking mode, although as with all dashcams in this article, a hardwiring kit sold separately is required. Number 3. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. We admit we've gone slightly over budget here, but we think this is the very best compact dashcam available anywhere today. The Mini 2 uses Garmin's wonderfully simple and compact windscreen mounting system, which takes up just a coin's worth of space, and it is incredibly compact. Despite the size, the Mini 2 still packs a punch with a Full HD resolution at 30 frames per second, a 140-degree lens, and HDR to help balance exposure in especially bright and dark environments. This is key, given how the primary function of a dashcam is to clearly show details like vehicle registrations plates and road signs. A Wi-Fi connection means videos are automatically uploaded to Garmin's cloud storage service when an internet connection is detected. Number 2. ZHC3 Pro. Proof that $100 can go surprisingly far with today's dashcams. This model has 2 cameras in a single unit. One faces out of the windscreen and records at 2K resolution, while the second faces into the interior and records at Full HD. Dashcams with interior cameras are best suited to taxi and rideshare drivers who might want to record their passengers with a notice explaining as much. Of course, both cameras have fairly wide, 155-degree lenses, and there's infrared night vision to ensure nighttime recordings can be relied on in the event of an accident. Parking mode is also available, where the dashcam fires into life if a parking prank is detected, but a hardwiring kit or external battery is required for this to function. Number 1. Thinkware F70. Thinkware is a top brand in the dashcam sector, and the F70 is one of its most compact and affordable options to date. This forward-facing camera features the 2.1 MP CMOS sensor that records full HD 1920 x 1080 footage at 30 frames per second. The lens is 140 degrees, which isn't the widest we've seen but is still roughly par for the course in the sub-$100 end of the market. Like most dashcams, there's no battery. Instead, a supercapacitor holds enough charge to ensure footage is saved and the camera switches off correctly when it is unplugged or the car is switched off. Additional features include a parking mode, which requires the optional hardwiring kit, sold separately, and there's support for adding Thinkware's GPS antenna. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best dashcam under $50 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.